Hey YouTube, I got a brand new viral traffic system that's trending right now. And it'll definitely help you out with your business. Or if you don't even have a business, you could definitely use this one right here. It's very similar to Live Good. It has all the bells and whistles. The matching bonuses, the spillovers, the matrix system, you name it. It's all within the system and the multiple income streams we can leverage. And you definitely want to stick around to the end of this video. I got some good bonuses for you, especially ones like this giveaway. The PS5 Pro. After 600 subscribers to my YouTube channel, I'm giving this away to a lucky subscriber, and you could be the winner. So, I'll definitely give you more details at the end of this video, so you definitely want to stay tuned to this. And so far on my YouTube channel, I have 358 subscribers, and all I need is 600 in order for me to give away the PS5 Pro to a lucky subscriber. Now, before I continue, this is Ashton from the Super Trendy Money Maker channel. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, especially if you're new to this channel, because I'm about to give you a ton of value. Hey marketers, if you're struggling to get leads for your business, whether you're a newbie or experienced marketer, the list ladder is for you. And as you can see here, I got some leads and I got a sale for direct pay. And the cool thing about this system, even though you're getting leads through the system, it goes directly to your Get Response account. So I'm gonna be showing you that in a minute, my results on that one. And the great thing too is that once you get your referrals, you can have a direct match with them, with 50% match, and it goes to like 5 levels deep. So as you can see here on the level 2, once I reach to it, I'll get 25% match, and it all adds up. So it costs $25 a month, and you get $15 fast start, and including benefit off the spillover. So it's pretty much like those systems, like matrix systems, like Live Good, Nexus, and a couple other systems that's very similar. But it's all about traffic, which is the cool thing about this. And not only do you get sales from the system, even as a paid member, and even as a free member too. For free member, now you can only like build your list, but you can also benefit from the profit center. Once you look at these income streams, as you can see here, this is what you'll see as a free member. So Get Response is actually free to join. You have the option to pay the $19 or so. I think it's actually $15 on the website, but it's free up until the 500 leads pass. Up until 500 leads, or 30 days free or so, like whatever trial that you go for Get Response. And then Traffic Zest, awesome traffic source, which I highly recommend. I call this the Google Ads for marketers. It's similar to Google Ads for for PPC campaigns, pay per click, and it's all involved solo ads, having a partnership with the traffic provider, and basically right, they contribute to the traffic. And no matter on what time of the day it is or so, like you can schedule it anytime you want, whether it be the time that you set up your campaign, or the next day or so. And the traffic is always running 24/7. So you basically have more solo ads coming in to help out, like the pitching, but for a low cost. And rather than just go for like an individual solo ad where you pay a certain amount of money and and you have to wait like probably like 1 or 3 days just to set up just to get your traffic to work. So traffic is you can start a traffic anytime you want, which is a cool thing. Traffic Authority, more like the traditional solo ad. It's a marketing system of its own too. It has some multiple ways to get paid, and I got the ability to get paid $3,200 in commissions by purchasing a course. There was a special deal on there involved concerning the company Multiple Income Funnel, which is a part of the same company that owns Traffic Authority. So that's also optional too as well. You know, you pay $20 a month to be a reseller, and you can definitely get paid. Like many of these systems, like you have a pass up sale to it. So the further you go in terms of getting commissions, the higher it is. Like the max is $3,200 in commissions. So like you definitely want to if you're interested in joining the Traffic Authority, you definitely want to sign up to that at the highest level you can possibly afford. And I never tried this one, Fathom recording software. I never tried that one before, but as a paid premium member, HBA Funnel Builder is a part of this too. So I'm a member of that one. So all these stuffs are completely optional, but the one that was recommended, what the system will tell you when you go to get started right here, it will basically tell you about during the training that you definitely need a get response account, because as you set up your API key, the leads will go directly to your get response account. So as you set up your email swipes, like a 7-day email follow-up flow, your leads will go directly to that. Like you put your list first, you create your list first, and then you create your emails within get response. So your leads go directly to those emails. And whatever businesses that you're promoting, whether there be these multiple income streams, as you can see here, or something else, you can promote all of that stuff on the back end, which is really cool. And you know, this is how you get started. As you can see here, it talks about explaining more detail about the matrix, complete email marketing 101, learn free marketing strategies, set up daily activity, register for live training. There's a lot of live training as well. And the daily activities, your checklist, what to do, all about personal development, get connected, reach out, create content, network, email marketing, etc., etc. It's a lot of stuff we can see here. And it's all designed to help you succeed in this business. And I want to show you my commissions. And this shows you exactly how the system works, like for each level to get paid. And yeah, it's 5 levels deep. So right now I'm currently at $15, got my first sale. And this is basically how it works with the matching bonuses, matching payments. It shows you exactly in detail what to expect. On the system is my software. So as a free member, you get the EL Messenger Pro Basic, which you can download on Google Chrome. And basically what it is, it's an automated tool for Facebook Messenger when it comes to prospecting, to make the process easier. So you can automate the process of sending friend requests and sending messages that you create, like 4 different types of messages to make Facebook see that it's not spamming, it's something different every time. And it just makes it easier instead of doing it all manually. So as a premium member, here's a good deal with this. If you make a purchase to list ladder for the $25. You get the pro version of this for just $1 a month. So that's like basically $26 you're paying. And it's a massive discount compared to paying $67 a month. So that right there is a steal. This is a good reason why you definitely should jump on the upgrade version of this. And you get the social planner, the whole CRM and everything, all just for $1. That's a good deal. If I were you, I'll definitely jump on that one. So literally as you sign this up, you see the discount. So that's one thing to look at, which I highly recommend. And for my rotator links, I never did this yet, so I'll probably look at the training to see if I take advantage of how this work. But definitely gonna be doing that in the future. But I did take advantage of this, of the lead links, and I used the first page, which is highly converting, which I highly recommend, and then a couple other pages as well for your capture pages. And then you have your direct registration pages and direct video registration page. So there's more of these pages coming out in the future. And let's see something here. Okay, the blogs are coming soon in the future, and they have under my teams. Like it shows you like your matrix tree of people who were on your team, the people who sign up under you, and then you have the Facebook group and support. Let me just go to the Facebook group real quick. Right now it's at 232 members, so this is a relatively new program. Still early, get in when it's hot. And as you can see here, there's a lot of people here. Some recent comments about the system, the contests. Even some pro members that got in. As you can see here, some of them are familiar faces. And including this the group chat. I have the group chat right here, the viral. Just type it in. There we go. So it's a very active group chat that really helps it out. So you're not alone. You're working as a team with systems like this, like with Live Good or Nexus. So joining me, I'll definitely give you support. What I'll do is I'll schedule a Zoom call with you, and if you need any help, I'll be able to help you out, like with a scheduled time frame. And let me show you my results on Get Response for the system. As you can see here, the open rates are really good. 50% open rate, and the clicks. Again, somebody to click every time. So as you get members that come in there for free or paid, like your list basically will grow over time, and which is really cool. And like instead of paying like a higher price for a solo ad, you can rely on this one, list ladder. So it's a really cool system, which I highly recommend.
For the list ladder bonus, I'm giving away the PS5 Pro. So if you upgrade your list ladder membership or join any of the previous programs that I have in my email or previous videos, I'll put you on the giveaway list. So more details on that when you click the link to this video. And for my second bonus is an email bonus rewards. That's right. For staying active, opening my emails and clicking the links, you'll be rewarded with this. 100 free clicks to any of my top solo ad providers, $25 to even $100 gift card, and cash to PayPal or Cash App. It's really cool stuff right there. And then for my last bonus, a traffic rotator campaign for List Ladder and for any members that upgrade. So I'll send the traffic to my top solo ad providers, all at the same time of also promoting on social media through Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, you name it. So you'll be able to benefit from all sources of traffic. And you're already getting free daily bonuses already just for submitting your info on the capture page. And if you have any questions, you can contact me through my email, phone number, or on Facebook. If you like what you see, and you got a mega ton of value from this video, and you want to see more videos like this in the future, please help the YouTube algorithm of this channel by like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the link down below in the description to get access to this ladder. So without further ado, thanks for watching. Peace. The PS5 Pro is officially out. And all you gotta do is subscribe to my email bonus series or any of the squeeze pages that will lead you to my email bonuses. Then join any of the affiliate programs that I'm currently promoting. Or if you're already in a business, then make a traffic purchase with payment proof to send me through the email or my contact info. Then I want you to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook, because I'll announce the winner of the PS5 Pro on those two platforms. Finally got my PS5 Pro, and I'll be giving this away to a lucky subscriber after 600 subscribers to my YouTube channel. So all you gotta do is follow the directions and you could be the winner.